T68i Pro World, a journey to be technical.
Today we are going to analyze dump of Nokia device. So open the Kali Linux. First open the web browser for downloading the Nokia device image. Now the browser is open. You need to type digital corpora and hit enter. Now open the first one, digital corpora. Again, cell phone dumps. Open the, here is some Android images and here is Nokia T68i image. So download it from here. So now the downloaded file is here. Right click here and extract it here. Now open this file and you can find this bin.bin extraction file. Move to the desktop, create a folder for save the dumps named as output. So now the file is here. Right click, open terminal. So we use tool named as bulk extractor. So now type bulk underscore extractor. There are more and more switches are there. This is the our output folder file path for save the dumps. Now enter the command bulk underscore extractor -o file path where we need to save our dump file. Now enter the .bin extension file name. Now hit enter. It extract all the dumps and save in that folder. Now you can go that folder and analyze all the files. So here is my output folder. Now open the file and extract the data. Now in this file find some data. Same as this, you can extract any.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like, share and comment below.